Hello everyone, welcome to InfiGyan. In this very exciting video of trigonometric challenging equations, we are going to simplify one expression sin power 12x plus cosine power 12x for x real, and given is sin power 10x plus cosine power 10x equal to 11 over 36. So let's get started by writing our equation as sin square x whole power 5 plus cos square x whole power 5. By the exponent property, a power b whole power c can be written as a power bc. So it is 10 still. Now I am going to give the first substitution, which is y is equal to sin square x. That means cos square x is 1 minus y. By the trigonometric identity, sin square x plus cosine square x is equal to 1. So this equation will convert y power 5 plus 1 minus y power 5 equal to 11 over 36. Now to make this equation symmetrical, I am going to give one more substitution, that is let z is equal to half minus y. Once I will put this, see what will happen. Y is equal to half minus z. So in this place I will write half minus z whole power 5 plus 1 minus y. If you will check, it will give you half plus z. Then it is half plus z. Why I am doing this? Once I will expand using Pascal's triangle, then there would be cancellation of terms. So let me expand this one. Let me expand this. Let me write in the first bracket. I am writing first one. So first power will decrease plus second power will increase. And the coefficient for the power 5, if you remember, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Okay. Now let's complete this one. So I will get half power 5 minus, it will give us minus 1 over 2 power 4 times z plus 10 times 1 by 2 power will be decreased z square minus 10, coefficients are there, square z cube plus 5 times half z power 4 minus z power 5. This is only first bracket. Now we will add the same bracket, all terms positive. I am not going to write this one. All terms positive. So what term will get cancelled out? See, this will cancelled. This one will cancelled out, minus sign. And RHS is as it is 11 over 36. Okay. Now, so what is left? I am writing directly. That would come out 2 times 1 over 2 whole power 5 plus 10 over 8 z square plus 5 over 2 z power 4, okay, equal to 11 over 36. Once I will simplify this one left hand side, or I can take LCM also, so my equation will convert 1 over 16 in bracket 80 z power 4 plus 40 z square plus 1 equal to 11 over 36. Now it looks like it is a quadratic equation in z square. Okay, remember our substitution. What we substituted? Substitution number 1, y equal to sin square x, and substitution number 2, we substituted z is equal to half minus y. Okay, let's solve this equation now quickly. So if I will take 16 to the right, then equation will convert 80 z power 4 plus 40 z power 2 plus 1. I am taking all the term to left, 44 over 9. Okay, so if I will simplify further, 16z power 4 plus 8z power 2 minus 7 over 9 equal to 0. Now it is quadratic in z square. Now I will apply quadratic formula. minus b plus minus under the root 8 square 64 minus 4ab, so plus it will be minus times minus, and 7 over 9 over 32. A is 16, 2 times a is 32. So minus 8 plus minus 64 I will take out, so 8 will come out. 1 plus 7 over 9 divided by 32. I will write here minus 8 plus minus 8, and this is 9 plus 7, 16 over 9, so I will write 4 over 3 divided by 32. Okay. Now z square will be minus 8 plus minus 32 over 3 divided by 32. So I will split this plus minus sign. Minus 8 plus 32 over 3 divided by 32. And then I can write minus 8 minus 32 over 3 divided by 32. So I can consider this one will become 8 over 3 times 32. And second one is minus 56 over 3 times 32. So if I will simplify this one, 8 times 4, so 4 times 3 is 12, 1 over 12. And this value will come out minus 7 over 12. So I will cancel this one, rejected. Why? Because of square is negative. So complex solution will come out. So finally, we are getting one z real value, which is z square is equal to 1 over 12. We will consider this one further. Now we have to find out the value of sine power 12 x plus cosine power 12x. So what I will write here, I will write again in the same manner, y power 6 plus 1 minus y power 6. Okay, so in that place of y, we can write 1 by 2 minus z whole power 6 plus half plus y, half plus z whole power 6. Now I am giving you one more substitution as we were doing in algebraic manipulation or algebraic equation solving. So I will consider this one A and second one is B. Now this power 6 plus means I am going to calculate A power 6 plus B power 6. So I can write A square whole cube plus B square whole cube. If I will expand this one, then it is A square plus B square, A plus B. In second bracket, A square plus B square minus AB. So I will write A square plus B square. So A power 4 plus B power 4 minus A square B square. Okay. In next step, I can write, which is the final step, A power 4 plus B power 4 is A square plus B square whole square minus 2A square B square. So minus of minus, it will become minus 3A square B square. Finally, in terms of A square plus B square whole square. Now I am going to put the value of A square plus B square only and A square B square only, because we know Z square is equal to 1 over 12. Okay. Now let's find out A square plus B square first. So let me write here A square plus B square and A square B square. By putting values of A and B, see A was half minus Z, B was half plus Z, A square will be half square plus Z square minus 2AB. So simply putting the value, collecting the value of A square plus B square and simply considering A plus B, A minus B form. So we are getting A square B square. Now only need to put the value of Z square, which is 1 over 12. Okay, so let us put, so A square B square will be 1 over 4 plus Z square 1 over 12 whole square minus 1 over 12. Okay, now I can multiply by 3, so it will become 4 over 12. So 1 over 3 whole square minus 1 over 12. So it will become 1 over 9 minus 1 over 12. Okay, so this value will come out 3 over 108, which is 1 over 36. So our A square B square value is 1 over 36. And a square plus b square, half plus 2 times 1 over 12, because our z square value. So this value will come out half plus 1 over 6. So it is 4 over 6. That means 2 over 3. Now I am going to put the value here. See, let me write that expansion. A square plus b square whole cube. It is a6 plus b6, which is sine power 12x. Let me write sine power 12x plus cosine power 12x is equal to a square plus b square times a power 4 plus b power 4 minus a square b square. We have already calculated this one. Or in other words, in terms of whole square, if I am writing, then I can write a square plus b square whole square minus 3a square b square. Now I am going to put the value of a square plus b square is equal to 2 by 3 and a square b square equal to 1 over 36. Put the value, our answer is there. So let me change this. Okay. So I will get sine power 12x plus cosine power 12x is equal to a square plus b square 2 by 3, 2 by 3 whole square minus 3 times 1 over 36. So 2 by 3, this will be 4 over 9 minus 1 over 12. Okay, so this value will come out 2 over 3, 39, 48 minus 9, 39 over 108. I will cancel 3 and 39, 13, 2 and 108, 54. So our final answer becomes 13 over 54. There are still 4 to 5 methods. Algebra, using algebra also, there are 4 or 5 methods of solving this problem. But see, this is only one solution and it is almost 13 minutes. That's why I didn't pick that up. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video.